So here I want to show you today how do we upload high resolution photos in WhatsApp and send it to a contact so that the photos are in good resolution and can be used for editing. So first thing what you need to do is just click on the contact that you want to send a photo or a video. Then once you click on this attachment button, right, on top of that normally what we do, we click on camera or the gallery, but in this case if you want to send high resolution, please click on document here. When you click on document, you get this option. So in this option just click on gallery. So when you see the gallery thing, if you want to send a high resolution photo, just go on to the thing that you want to click on, search the photo, and whenever you click on the photo, it comes with the name of the photo, and see the high resolution is 3 MB. Okay, so when you send this photo in this format, the resolution of the photo will be in high resolution, wherein you get good resolution of the photo without any compromise on the quality. If you see here, this is an example.